Hello, all of my beauty babes. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are having a great day. So today I went out and done some of my errands, and I came back, and on the doorstep was, guess what, guys? Voila. It was pretty sure it's my premium box from Boxycharm, because I was looking earlier today on my emails of a delivery date, and the one that I did see said it was going to be delivered on the 11th, so it was the first one, so I'm pretty sure that was my base. 100% sure this is my premium, guys. So let's get into it. But before we do, if you would please subscribe to my channel, I would greatly appreciate it. And if you would turn your notification bell on, that way you'll never miss one of my uploads. And recently I've been doing this a lot. And then if you would please give me a thumbs up, let me know you like my content. And today, guys, let me just tell you what I am wearing, and then we'll get into this wonderful, exciting box. So today my look is created, actually it's inspired by somebody that I love to watch on YouTube. I watch her often. Her name is Nikki Tutorials, Nikki Tutorials, and I love watching her. She's so very informative and just funny. So I watched her a couple days ago, and her look inspired me to make this look. I didn't have the right palette, the same palette that she had, so I used it with one of the palettes that I had. I created this look using a palette that I had, and this is from Profusion Spectrum palette is what I use. So, and of course I have my seed beads from Paparazzi, and of course I only wore them because it's purple and purple. I'm not very much of a purple kind of person on my eyes because it's not professional the way I put them on. So guys, anyway, let's get into this box. So I don't know what's in here. I do know that it's my premium. I do know what my choice is, though. I did get in there and I pulled out the card because I wanted to make sure that we got a card, because sometimes we do. Recently we've been getting them, so I should have just kind of like trusted them. So anyway, let's get into this box. I hope you guys are all having a great day. Hope you guys have something to drink and a snack, as I don't know how long this is going to be, but stay with me, guys. I'd appreciate it. Alright, so the first thing is I grabbed this card, by the way, and there's no theme on this Boxycharm. It just has like some little signs, you know, and it says spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, and slumber. And it looks like it's like in a camping with some s'mores on this side, but there's no, like last month was Oasis, there's no theme like that. So the first thing is a milk. It's from Milk Makeup. I don't know if that's the color or not. The color is CEO. It looks like it's a brown. And this would be a long wear gel eyeliner. Ha! I definitely needed a new eyeliner, as I did leave my lid open the other day and it dried out. Oh, look at that. Nice fine point. Doesn't look brown though. It looks like it's black, and it's got a little smudger, guys. I'm excited for this. So recently I have made my first purchase of Milk, and I got their highlighter, and I love it. So I'm very excited to try that product for sure. So the Milk Makeup Long Wear Gel Eyeliner. Long Wear Gel Eyeliner has a highly pigmented waterproof formula that stays in line all day long. Hydrating avocado oil and hydraulic, good lord, hyaluronic acid combine to smooth the look of skin, so liner glides on without pulling or catching. The liner comes with a shaper and a smudger to allow for precise application or smoky effect, depending on your mood. Retail value of $22. Right on. Very excited for that one. I usually don't use a lot of eyeliner unless it's to the very top eyeliner right here, and I am on a backup one. It's got a really thick felt tip. This is not a felt tip one. This one's not. This is Daily Concepts. This is a daily detox massaging brush. Looks like it's bristle and these little nodules of some sort. And it's there's a gentle, a mild, and a vigorous. And this one shows me the vigorous. Must know I have some flaky dry skin for dry brushing. So let's see what this retails, what it's about. Daily Concepts Daily Detox Massaging Brush, complete with responsibly sourced natural bristles and massaging rubber nodules. This brush combines the vigorous texture to remove dead skin cells with the stimulation of the nodules to increase blood flow and circulation. Ultimately, this is our go-to for breaking up cellulite deposits, removing old dry skin, and leaving us feeling glowy and baby soft. And it retails at $18. Well, if it does break up cellulite deposits, let me tell you, that brush has a lot of work to do. Alright, so the next thing is it is a lipstick. It's a MAC satin lipstick. Never tried anything MAC lipstick. I have tried their MAC eyeshadows, and I really liked those. So, okay, I'm not going to put that on because I'm not sure that this dark brown would go good with my blues and purple. But I am excited to try this because I do wear neutrals every day to work. So I'm going to put that right in my drawer, and I get so excited because I see all this stuff, and then my brain goes crazy trying to figure out what to do next with this look or what to wear. So the next thing is the Too Faced. Okay, so I'm going to go with the palette because the next two items are totally different, and I'll explain that. So so this is the palette, the Ciate London Editor Palette. I did take it out of the box already. I just took it out of the box. And it looks like it's in like a really pastel-y pink with purple printing on the top. It says Ciate London. Wow, look at those colors. This kind of looks like it's... Ooh la la. That looks like it's calling my name. that's what that's doing. It's calling my name for sure. Alright guys, so I am so excited for this palette too. Oh, holy smokes. So let me just tell you about that. The Ciate London New England Editor Palette, inspired by New England in fall. This palette features super soft and blendable shadows and a mix of richy, pigmented autumnal hues, and that is spelled autumn or autumnal, okay? Hues. Mix and match the metallic glitters, and the mattes for effortlessly wow. Effortlessly hazy eye looks. $32. I'm excited to use that. I think I should probably learn how to pronounce those words first. Alright, so the last two things, I know what they are just because Boxycharm made an error a couple months ago, and this month they gave me two items to choose from, to choose for. So these next two items is what my choice was for the box. So this one here is the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. I don't really use setting powder anymore, and I haven't in a long time, but I'm going to start, as I've just learned about this thing called baking, and you bake it on your face. So I'm going to try that. And I have two other setting powders in my drawer here, and I haven't really used those. So now I've got three. So now I feel comfortable in using them, and got enough to try with. Goodness, so I just took the lid off trying to figure out how to open this silly thing. So there's that. So, and it's it's translucent, so we're gonna leave that at that. I am going to put this in my drawer. So that was one of my choices. And the other choice, well, let me just, Too Faced Born This Way. Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. This setting powder provides a veil of perfecting luminosity for a finish so natural they will think you were born this way. The formula is infused with, there's that word again, guys, hyaluronic acid. I gotta Google this and ask it to tell me how to say that, which gives a smoother, more youthful appearance. Oh Lord, do I need that for sure. It's $33. Unless you buy a Boxycharm. This box here was only $35, and look at all the stuff I got. The next thing I am so very excited for, because this was one of my other choices. I watch YouTubers. Sometimes I listen to music. I used to listen to music a lot at work, but just recently I play YouTube all day long. So I've got a lot of people that I like to watch. And one of these girls, Get It Glowing, and this is who I was watching when she was talking about this lady, and she got one in one of her subscription boxes, and I said, oh, I am going to try this. She highly recommends this, so I'm going to try this. And she's my age, so I trust her very much. So this is the Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. Guys, I'm not going to open this because it is sealed up well. But I will probably be opening it very, very soon because I am almost out of my moisturizing lotion. So it says Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream deeply hydrates, visibly brightens skin, and provides advanced antioxidant support. Formulated with THD Absorbicate, a powerful, stable, and targeted vitamin C derivative that prevents and repairs the visible signs of premature aging. You know what? Aging skin. Repairs the visible signs of premature skin aging. I don't know if mine's premature, guys. Because it's there. And the value of this, $65. Guys, this is a pretty big jar. You know what? Let's just open it. I'm going to be opening it probably pretty soon anyway. It's still a big jar. I hope I hope this outside is just not a lot of fluff. I hope it's true. Ooh. Let's look at that. Wow. That is a pretty big jar. And y'all look. It's like a plastic Sunday Riley spoon. So you could dip this out. So cool. So excited. See, now I just want to take all my makeup off and tone it and then put this on it. Oh, good Lord. Oh. It's got a very, very tiny hint of like orange vitamin C. I am very, very excited. I am so glad I chose this. Sometimes I as we all do, make bad decisions, right? So I watch everybody else's, what they chose in their box for their choice item. And I'm like, oh, I should have got that. Oh, I should have got that. Sometimes I regret it, but I just deal with it anyway because I love makeup. Doesn't matter what it is. And this, guys, I'm so very excited that I made a awesome choice for this one. I love the box. I love the packaging. And I will keep you guys updated on this. Guys, so let's add this up. Hold on. So when I added all of my products up, I'm not sure if you can see this. This is what my box, the box value is $189. So just to let you know, this box cost me $35. Woo! And it's supposed to always have a value of $175. This month it was $189. Well paid for, guys. So if you're interested, comment down below if you need a link to sign on to Boxycharm. This is premium and it's only $35 a month. Next week when I get my Boxycharm base, I'll be unboxing that one as well. Thanks guys for stopping by. Excuse me. Thanks guys for stopping by. One moment. Oh my gosh. So dry in there. So thanks guys for stopping by, and if you would please subscribe to my channel, hit that subscribe button somewhere there, and then give me thumbs up if you like my content, and turn your notification bell on so that way you'll never miss another upload. Guys, thanks for coming back and saying hi. I appreciate that. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.